Why are you closed? Tell us why you're closed. Tell us why you're closed. Why are you closed? I want to go shopping in the Eaton Center. Why are you not? Why are you closing your doors? Why are you locking your doors to the public? Why? Tell us the reason. Why? Why? Tell us the reason. Tell us the reason why. Why are you putting people through this? Why? Why? Why are you putting us through this? Who gave you the right? Who gave you the right? By what right do you exclude the population? Why? Who are you? How dare you do this to us? We are the Toronto public. We want to shop. We want to get into the Eaton Center. It is a public place. It says it's open till 7 o'clock. Why are you closed? Why? Why? Tell us why. Tell us why. Is this a spectacle to you? Is this a spectacle to you? Is this funny? Let the police cut off my balls. I don't mind because it's the cops and they're always right. Right? You want to go shopping? You don't give a shit, do you? No. You why don't you go fuck off with your camera and stuff? Stop film. I'm saying I'm not giving you permission to film me. Alright? You don't have permission. What? No, it's closed. It's closed. It's actually a privately held, Oh, really? You're going to explain it to me? Well, tell me why they're closed. Cadillac Derby doesn't want you in. Oh, Cadillac Derby doesn't want me in? That's why they closed the whole place? Apparently. Are you nuts? You're crazy. I just walked over here for Christ's sake.